There are places that don't need to be introduced because the moment you arrive, you already understand them. This is one of those places. Built in 1895 and still carrying that history in every detail. 8 acres of land, 5 bedrooms, and 2 bathrooms, where nothing interrupts the stillness. And time seems to move a little slower, and somehow, so do you. A pond that mirrors the sky, a barn that still has purpose, and a workshop built for messy, real ideas. Mornings here aren't rushed, just present, because out here, the world feels far enough away that you start to hear everything that actually matters. It's a place where the kids don't stay inside, they disappear into the land, and come back only when they're ready. A place you don't just live in, you grow into. And somehow, without realizing it, you stop wanting anything more. Because everything you thought you were looking for was already here.